Hail, Queen of Heaven, the ocean star, guide of the wanderer here below. Tossed on life's surge, we claim thy care. Save us from peril and from woe. Mother of Christ, Star of the sea, pray for the wanderer, pray for me. Mother of Christ, Star of the sea, pray for the wanderer, pray for me. O gentle, chaste, and spotless Maid, we sinners make our prayers through thee. Remind thy Son that he has paid the price of our iniquity. Virgin most pure, Star of the sea, pray for the sinner, pray for me. Virgin most pure, Star of the sea, pray for the sinner, pray for me. Sojourners in this vale of tears, to the blessed Advocate we cry. Pity our sorrows, calm our fears, and soothe our hope, our misery. Refuge in grief, Star of the sea, pray for the mourner, pray for me. Refuge in grief, Star of the sea, pray for the mourner,